It's Patrick at Pals. Well, this is my 68 Chevelle. It's an SS 396. Last night I was driving it and all of a sudden it began to miss and backfire. And I don't mean just a pop pop, I mean a bang bang. So as you can see, we've got the distributor taken apart. This is a rotor. Now you look at the top of it and you say everything looks good. No burn marks there. Then you flip it over. Look right there. That rotor is burned through. That's what's causing the backfire. Ignition systems transfer a lot of electricity. Sometimes they burn up, and that's what's happened to this rotor. It's burned through. You can see the connector, and there's no plastic around it to insulate it, and that's causing the car to miss. And when it misses, it loads up on fuel, and then it backfires. If you have an old style car with a distributor and a carburetor, bring it to Pals. We are equipped to diagnose it properly. See you soon.